Hi, little artists. Welcome back to ZooniToons, where your favorite cartoon characters come alive with just a pencil and a splash of color. Today's video is going to be full of fun and feathers, because we're drawing the one and only Daisy Duck, and she's joined by Donald Duck's 3 cheeky nephews, Huey, Dewey, and Louie. Let's start with the fabulous and fashionable Daisy Duck. Now I'm drawing her big pretty bow on top of her head. I begin by sketching her soft, feathery face, her long eyelashes, and her beak with that classic Daisy smile. She always wears it with style, and then her arms and feet in her dainty little heels. Time to color. I'm using a bright pink for Daisy's bow and a soft but stylish blue for her shirt. Her beak is orange and her feathers stay pure white. Wow, she looks dazzling, just like the star of the show she is. Now here come the nephews. Triple the fun, triple the color. Now it's time to draw Donald Duck's 3 fun-loving nephews, Huey, Dewey, and Louie. Let's start sketching their round ducky faces, their curious eyes, and their playful little beaks. They may look alike, but today on ZooniToons, we're giving each one their own unique and random color. Because why not? Art is all about imagination. Each one is wearing a cap and a cute shirt. And now for the most fun part, coloring. Let's get colorful. I'm picking fun, bright, and totally random colors for each nephew. There's no rule here. Just make them bright, bold, and full of personality. You can use your favorite colors too. Whether Huey is pink, Dewey is green, or Louie is in rainbow sparkles, it's all part of the magic of ZooniToons. These ducklings have never looked cooler. And there we go, friends. The fabulous Daisy Duck in her pink bow and blue shirt. And 3 super colorful, super creative nephews, each with their own one-of-a-kind look. Which color combo was your favorite? Tell us in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to ZooniToons and hit that bell for more fun drawing adventures every week. Until next time, keep coloring outside the lines, keep dreaming big, and always make art your own. Bye-bye, little artists.